Jake Paul bought a new house, which is located in Dorado, Puerto Rico, and he spent over $16 million for this house, and his house has some incredible features. It has a whole baseball batting cage, man cave room, a music studio, a giant movie theater, master bedrooms, outdoor shower, 8-bedroom, 6-car garage. The list goes on and on. But not just only his luxury house. He spent over millions. But before we get into it, please like this video. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. And hit the bell icon so you never miss our next uploaded video. Starting off with Tesla. If you are a follower of Jake Paul, then you know that he loves his cars and will spend nearly $1 million on the latest drive. He has even purchased a NASCAR car, but for his wife, Jake decided to go all out and buy the latest Tesla model. The Tesla also seems to have self-driving features, which Jake used in a prank video, which was not shocking at all. Rolex. If you really want to show off your wealth on your wrist, then Rolex is the brand to go with. The Swiss luxury watchmaker is known for their expensive price and allure to some of the richest people in the world. So it's not a surprise that Jake Paul has spent tens of thousands of dollars on his wristwatch needs. In fact, it seems that he owns multiple Rolex watches. Fans have even gifted him Rolex watches, so he doesn't have to take that meager hit to his vast bank account. Pets. Jake Paul is known for pulling off pranks on unsuspecting onlookers, and even his pets aren't immune to his shenanigans. Jake recently bought a Belgian Malinois puppy, which can go for at least a couple grand if it's a purebred. He has even bought a goat for Erica. So it seems like if Jake ever wanted to start his own zoo, he has the means to pull it off. Let's take a break from the bourgeois lifestyle and take a moment to give a shout out to one of you, our awesome viewers. Let's hear it. Ford Galaxy Wolf, who says, "Hi, the richest, who is totally the best. I love your videos so much that I watch them again and again. Keep up the good work." Shucks. Thanks, Galaxy Wolf. We love hearing from you again and again. Designer brands. Did you know that Jake Paul has the ultimate goal of becoming the first social media billionaire? Given all of his recent purchases, you can bet that he's not shopping at any discount stores for his clothes and accessories. He recently tweeted about buying a Gucci handbag for his wife. You can bet that she's getting spoiled up the wazoo since she's married to one of the richest people in the world. Everything that Jake wears is designer brand, and designers are just throwing themselves at him to get him to wear their work camera. When your entire career is dependent on vlogging, then you need one of the nicest cameras in the world. It has to take good video and also be able to handle all of Jake's shenanigans while he's filming. According to the rumor mill, Jake uses the Sony A7S Mark II, which the body alone is worth over $2,300. Then there's lenses, tripods, editing equipment, and so much more. So pretty much Jake has spent a pretty penny on the nicest technology money can buy, mainly because his career depends on it. iPhone. You can bet with all the money Jake has, he always has the latest and greatest when it comes to phones. In fact, he has been known to give away iPhone 7s. Like he's just handing out flowers to the villagers. Jake likely possesses the coveted new phone, and it's likely that Apple gave him the phone early so he could promote it to his millions of followers. Ooh, must be nice private jet. Okay, we'll clarify that Jake Paul may not have bought a $25 million private jet yet, but he does have the cash to rent and reserve said private jet and then make a video about it if he's not trying to pull off a prank at the airport, which isn't a good idea. He's traveling in style in some of the nicest private jets the aviation industry has to offer. Maybe we're cheating a little since it's not confirmed. He owns the jet in his videos, but he's certainly working his way towards ownership. Hotel room. Speaking of renting, getting a hotel room can be costly. If you want to stay someplace that is somewhat comfortable, but if you're someone who needs luxury, then you need to hang with Jake Paul. He and his friends booked a hotel room suite that cost over $100,000. When Jake travels, he's not staying at a Motel 6. He's been known to spend tens of thousands of dollars on his accommodations alone. Semi-truck. First of all, we know what you're probably thinking. Why in the world would anybody want to own a semi? Well, Jake was so entranced by the new Tesla semi that he just had to pre-order one. Apparently the truck can hit over 60 miles per hour in less than 5 seconds. Given Jake's obsession with cars, the semi might actually be a logical purchase so he can ship his cars all over the place, but we might see the semi in a future video as Jake goes for a joy ride. And lastly that we talk about before. He just bought a $16 million mansion. And this mansion is luxury than Queen's Castle. It has a lot of features like pool, baseball court, a waterfall, 6-car garage, and so much more, but he not just bought this house, he just bought cars more than 10. And this place covered in cars, money, and luxurious things, and he lived in this house with his 6 friends. But not just that, his house has more than 23 TVs. And one 120-inch special edition TV for movie theater. And this is not it, it's just guest house we are talking about. His house has 8 master bedroom with 10 king-size beds. And 16 bathroom. With indoor-outdoor shower. And so much more. In conclusion, Jake Paul's lavish spending habits and luxurious lifestyle extend to various aspects of his life. From his multi-million-dollar house with exceptional amenities to his high-end cars, Rolex watches, pets, designer clothing and accessories, top-of-the-line camera equipment, latest smartphones, private jets, extravagant hotel suites, and even a pre-ordered semi-truck, Jake spares no expense in maintaining his opulent way of life. So do you wish that you had Jake Paul's bank account? Tell us what you would buy in the comments below. And also be sure to take a moment to like and subscribe to our channel. And stick around for our next video. We'll see you on the other side.